Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss preamble and evaluations of Indian Constitution. This is going to be useful for the people who are preparing for KS, IAS and other competitive exams. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Let us get into today's topic, preamble and evaluation of Indian Constitution. MCQ is what we are going to discuss. Who is the person fondly known as the chief architect of Indian Constitution? We all well known that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Second question is, first attempt in the world to constituent assembly to frame a constitution was made by America. Third question is, the first attempt by Indians to write constitutions to India was done by committee headed by Motilal Nehru, which is known as Nehru Report. A fourth question is, the idea of the Constitution of India was flashed for the first time by M.N. Roy. Fifth question is, the plan of setting up a constituent assembly to draw up the future constitution for India was given by the cabinet mission plan. The member of the constituent assembly were elected by provincial assemblies. Which of the following word was added into the preamble of the constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976 was socialist? From which constitution was a concept of a 5-year plan borrowed into our constitution? From USSR. The procedure of amendment to the constitution is borrowed from the constitution of South Africa. Which country is the best example for the federal and unitary government? America and Britain. Which of the following is not a democratic institution of the Rigvedic era? Grama. During medieval India, which kings were first established local self-government? Answer is Cholas. The East India Company was established in the year of 1600. Which Chartered Act empowered the British governors of residence to make bylaws, rules and regulations in the conformity with the British laws? Answer is Chartered Act of 1726. Who started dual government in Bengal? Answer is Robert Clive. Who is the first Governor General of Bengal? Answer is Warren Hastings. Which is the first written document in the constitutional history of India? Answer is Regulating Act 1773. Which act was created for the first time in India? Government of India. Chartered Act of 1833. Which act was created for the first time? The Supreme Court. Answer is the Regulating Act 1773. First law commissions was appointed in India for the codification of laws under the chairmanship of Lord Macaulay. Which act made the beginning of the parliamentary system in India? Chartered Act of 1853. Under which of the following act the Crown of England took the affairs of the Government of India into its own hands? Government of India Act of 1858. The Governor General of India was also the representative of the British Crown to the princely states in India and hence was known as the Viceroy of India. Which act for the first time gave an opportunity for Indians to enter into the sphere of legislature? Indian Council Act of 1861. Which act made the beginning of the electoral system in India? The Government of Indian Act 1858. Which of the following act made the Indian legislature bicameral for the first time? Government of India Act 1919. The famous Dandi March led by Gandhiji was against salt tax. Which proposal was referred to as a post-dated check? The Cripps Mission proposals. Indian National Congress started Quit India movement after the failure of Cripps Mission. Gandhiji gave a call to all Indians do or die, which is popularly known as Quit India movement. Which plan rejected the demand for the independent Pakistan? Cabinet Mission Plan. partition of British India into two different independent nations, India and Pakistan, was done according to Mountbatten Plan. The federal feature of the Indian government was introduced by the Government of India Act 1935, which features was borrowed by the Indian Constitution from the British Constitution. Lawmaking procedure, parliamentary system of government, rule of law. The Constitution supports rule of law. In Britain, Parliament is supreme. Accordingly, which among the following is supreme in India? Constitution. The Government of India Act 1935 provided for the establishment of federal court, diarchy at center, provincial autonomy. The Act of 1935 abolished diarchy in the provinces. The Constitution of India was enacted by a Constituent Assembly set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. The Constituent Assembly of India was created as per the proposal of Cabinet Mission. In which year did the Cripps Mission come to India? 1942. The Constituent Assembly set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan had a strength of 389 members. The strength of the Constituent Assembly after the withdrawal of the Muslim League was reduced to 299 members. How many committees were set up by the Constituent Assembly for framing the Constitution? 13 members. Who of the following acted was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? B.N. Rao. Demand for a constitution framed by Constituent Assembly was made by Gandhiji. The idea of the Constituent Assembly to frame a constitution for India was first mooted by Swaraj Party in 1928. Who started with the presentation of the objective resolution on 1947 22nd January? Jawaharlal Nehru. When was the objective resolutions moved and adopted? 13th December 1946 and 22nd January 1947. The members of the Constituent Assembly were elected by provincial assemblies. That's all for the day, friends. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel and share the videos. Hit the bell button for immediate notifications. Thank you and have a great day. Happy learning. Bye.